My name is Todd Eaton. I am head of QA and DevOps for the weather group. With any extreme weather, millions of people come to our site to get their information. Anytime hurricane season comes along, which is June through October, we'll see an increase in traffic. If there's a large winter system going across the country, closing schools, closing businesses, then people will come to us. We test, deploy, and administer the environments for the Weather Channel apps. I have a DevOps team that is maintaining the systems for the various Weather Channel applications. And then I also have a QA team that performs testing. Instana is a nice, lightweight monitoring solution that you can stand up fairly quickly and get meaningful data. The features I find most useful with Instana, I like the RUM feature and the visualization of where the traffic is and what type of traffic it has. That has been beneficial for my QA group to determine if we have to beef up more testing in a different area, or if we have certain traffic that's coming from a region in the world that we need to put more emphasis on. Another excellent point with Instana that we find useful is on the services layer. When we have an error and we're able to drill down into lines of code, actually where that error is coming from has been invaluable. We've been able to use that and give it to development to say, hey, we do have a problem in this. We need to get this resolved sooner rather than later. I don't want to be too much of a dig on New Relic. I remember when we set up New Relic, we had to configure some agents to get the telemetry that we wanted. And it became a little painful for us to use, just the way that we were using it. With Instana, we were really surprised. It pretty much came out of the box. It's not like we had to do anything special. We had the application side and infrastructure up probably within a week. We were able to visualize a lot of our systems right away. That was actually quite pleasant and not as hard as we thought. And that's ideally what a tool is supposed to be for, right? We always strive for those tools that we can easily set up, get stuff back fairly quickly that is useful and helpful in keeping our systems as finely tuned and performant as possible. And I'd have to say my experience with Instana, it fits that bill. I would definitely look at it as compared to, the New Relic, the Datadog, whatever, and see if it fits the need and see if it gets out of the box. I would recommend it for others to try.